Wendy's Chili. Ingredients: 2 pounds lean ground beef, 2 stalks celery, diced, 1 onion, diced, 1 green bell pepper, diced, 3 14-ounce canned stewed tomatoes, undrained, 1 10-ounce canned diced tomatoes with green chilies, undrained, 14 ounces tomato sauce, 1 cup water, 2 1.25-ounce packages chili seasoning, such as McCormick Mild Chili Seasoning mix, 1 14-ounce can kidney beans, do not drain, 1 14-ounce can pinto beans, do not drain, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, more or less to taste. Instructions: place ground beef in a large pot over medium-high heat. Stir and break the ground beef into crumbles and cook until no longer pink. Drain beef of excess grease. Return beef to pot, stir in celery, onion, and green bell pepper into ground beef and cook until onion is translucent, about 5 minutes. Pour in stewed tomatoes, diced tomatoes with green chilies, tomato sauce, and water. Break apart large pieces of stewed tomatoes. Stir in chili seasoning. Add kidney beans, pinto beans and season with salt and black pepper, bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 1 hour. Mix vinegar into chili. Ladle into bowls and serve.